Hi everyone, welcome to my sparkly garden. My name is Rhonda and I wanted to invite you here today to join me with my gardening adventures in my backyard. I am very passionate about gardening and I really enjoy it so much. And I wanted to start this channel because I do have another channel that is a DIY channel here on YouTube called Sparkly One. And I actually do a lot of knitting and crocheting and DIYs on there, or I have, should I say, in the past. And I have quite a few viewers over there, and hopefully you are some of them. And I just felt like I wanted to start just a channel that was just designated to gardening because a lot of my crocheters and knitters want to see all of those things. And when I show a gardening video over there, they're not really interested in it. So I thought I would narrow down my YouTube channel to just gardening. And I love it so much. And if you're like me, you have a bunch of people that you watch. And of course, my favorite gardening channel is Laura with Garden Answer. And she has been just like an amazing inspiration for a lot of years. And I've been watching her, I don't know, probably the entire time that she's been on YouTube. And I really, really love watching her and all of the wonderful things that her and Erin do. And I'm sure, like, if you're like me, you already know who she is. So I'm happy to join the ranks with other gardeners like her and also dig, plant, water, repeat with Janey. And I love watching her channel too. Like, those are my two top favorite gardening channels. There are a ton of other ones, and as I go along, in my journey here on YouTube, I will obviously be talking about those as well. So today I'm out here in the garden just kind of cleaning up some stuff because I recently had to remove my raised garden bed, and I'm going to show you a little clip right here. But this area had a huge gray metal raised garden bed, and I think I spent about $200 on it. And that was about, I think it's like 2 years ago. And it just got overrun with roots from these ficus trees that it was tucked into. And I couldn't even dig in there anymore because of the roots. So we had someone come in and remove it, and it broke my heart because the bed itself was in perfect condition, and they just kind of demolished it and took it away, and nobody else wanted it. My kids didn't want it, and I never really offered it to anyone else, only because I didn't want them to have the same problem that I had with the roots. And it was overrun with grubs. And if you've ever seen a grub, they're disgusting, but they eat the roots of plants. So that's why they loved it so much. And they also ate the roots that were in the planter of the flowers and stuff like that. So nothing really would grow anyway. So we decided to take it out. And as I'm standing here, I just see all these beautiful birds flying around, and I can't help look at them. They love the fountains. I do have a fountain over here. Look how pretty that is. And I bought that at Lowe's about a year and a half ago, I think. And I assembled it myself. And I actually have a video that you can watch of me assembling that, which was really easy. And if you would like to learn how to do that, I'm going to put that video right here for you to see. And in this area where the fountain is, the little one, there is some ivy growing on the wall. And since we've moved here, it's grown across both directions. And I can't wait for it to get into the section where I'm going to show you right now, where I'm going to be putting a potting bench in. And that's where my raised garden bed was. And I do have this garden bench that I just ordered. I got it on Amazon. Put a link in the description to this potting bench, but it's so cool. I love the gray color. It matches more of my decor in the garden, and I don't really want to take away from my white garden beds too much. So it's the same color as my two fountains, and also I have a lot of wrought iron, and I have a black metal table out here in the garden as well. So I just bought this little sitting area rattan furniture from Target. And my husband and I sit out here almost every day. And it's just so peaceful and I love it. It's so comfortable too. It's a little small, but we don't mind. It's really perfect for the both of us. And anyway, that's just kind of a simple video today, just to introduce myself and let you know that I am here on my Sparkly Garden channel, and that I'm just going to show you some things that we've done over the years. We've only lived in this house for 2.5 years, so this garden is only 2 years old. I know, look at how amazing it is. So can you see all of this, except for the rake? But there is a ton of plants out here. And as we get to know each other a little more, I'm going to just go around and talk about each thing that I have put in the yard recently and in the past, and then I'll show you what we've accomplished and how we got there. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this channel as much as I enjoy making the videos. And if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer any questions. Please let me know what your favorite flower is, because my favorite flower is a peony. And I recently bought 2 peonies, which I'll show you right here. And they haven't bloomed yet, and I am so excited. I can't even tell you. So I love hydrangeas and peonies. Those are my favorite ones. But of course, roses and petunias and anything else I love. Oh, the verbena. Oh my gosh. Okay, those are all for another video. So anyway, let me go ahead and say goodbye here, but don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you're excited about this channel, and I hope you subscribe. I hope you share it with your friends, and then I'll see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.